Transform your videos and unleash your creativity by effortlessly swapping faces with Higgsfield's powerful AI. First, let's dive into the intuitive Higgsfield interface. Simply upload the video you want to modify. Next, you'll need the source video containing the face you want to use. Drag and drop this second video onto the provided source area within Higgsfield. Higgsfield's intelligent AI automatically detects the faces in both your target and source videos. You'll see these faces highlighted with bounding boxes. While Higgsfield is incredibly accurate, you can fine-tune the alignment if necessary. Adjust the bounding boxes to perfectly encompass the faces you're working with. Once you're satisfied with the framing, simply hit the Swap Now button. Higgsfield's advanced AI then gets to work, seamlessly blending the new face into your video with remarkable precision. And just like that, you have a perfectly swapped face. Notice the natural blending and smooth transitions. It truly looks like the original actor is there. The result is a professional quality face swap that opens up endless creative possibilities, from hilarious parodies to personalized birthday messages and unique visual storytelling. Download Higgsfield today and start creating stunning video content that captivates your audience.